Cyril the barista. In this video we're exploring the best technique of brewing coffee using a CHEMEX coffee maker. It gives an amazing cup of coffee. All we need to brew our CHEMEX, we need the CHEMEX, we need the filter paper, we need freshly roasted beans, and we want to boil our water on the 93 degrees. So we'll start by folding our paper filter. You just take it by the corners, fold it inside to ensure like all the corners are straight. Then you need to fold this one also inside. Then take it also on the corners again, fold it once more. Then you will have this shape. Divide it in the middle, giving it 3 lines. You divide it in the middle so that it can fit inside. So we'll prepare our beans. So we're going to use a ratio of 1:15. We're going to use 20 grams of coffee, then we're going to extract 300 ml of coffee out. So we're going to grind our coffee on a coarser side, slightly coarser than the V60. So for our EK43, we use the size 13. Then we'll pre-wet our paper filter. This pre-wetting of the paper filter helps in the removing of the paper taste into our coffee. So we'll start our brewing. We'll pour our 20 grams of grinded coffee into the CHEMEX. So we're going to pour 3 times. We're going to pour our first pour of 60 ml of water into the coffee. Let it sit for 40 seconds. Then we pour our second pour of 120 ml of water into the coffee. We let it sit until 1 minute and 20 seconds. Then we pour our final pour, which will be 120 ml of water into the coffee. So we'll start by pouring 60 ml of water into the coffee. And we'll let it sit until 40 seconds. So we'll pour our second pour, which is 120 ml of water into the coffee. So this we're going to let it sit until 1 minute and 20 seconds. On 1 minute and 20 seconds we pour our last pour until 300 ml of water. You pour it in a circular motion, then end up in the center. This helps in the water penetrating of the coffee. You cut the meat, remove the grinds on the sides. So on 3 minutes our coffee is done brewing. Just remove the paper filter. We just swirl it a bit. Try our coffee. so it can taste If you try it, it has a strawberry, blueberries, and it has a bit of caramel. It gives a sweet aftertaste. And if you let it cool a bit, it develops more body. So, by using this recipe step by step, you can brew an amazing cup of coffee using the CHEMEX. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the recipe and everything down in the description below. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me. Comment below for any questions or suggestions. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming video. Till next time, thank you.